Hi, I'm Nican and I make meditations. Being able to close your eyes and enter a magical space is something that completely changed my life some years ago. Since then, I've been crafting these special spaces for hundreds and then thousands of people here in Italy, and it's been a really unique journey. Now I've decided to start sharing my work in English too, since I love this language and I just desire to share my work with as many people as possible. So this is an invitation for you to check my meditations, my channel here on YouTube, and join me in one of my journeys. It's always surprising for me to discover how we're all interconnected. Meditation really is magical because it can connect people through space and time. And it's so simple and effective, the kind of transformation and positive change that takes place if we just allow our hearts and minds to open up. So I hope you join me in one of my journeys, and I'll see you there. Blessings.